guys can see this. It says 13,000 miles. That's what we're gonna start with. I say goodbye to my brother. I fucking love you, Chris. I'll see you in Florida. I'm officially fucking off, man. I'm off. I'm headed to South Carolina. Arrival time 5:46. It's gonna take 5 hours and 41 minutes. I'm almost to South Carolina. And my ass is hurt. I'm just jamming out to some music. It's hard to vlog riding and listen to music because I gotta listen to it loud because of my mic. But yeah, we got 178 miles to go, 3 hours and 50 minutes, and arrival time is 6 o'clock. Well guys, this is fucking awesome. Yeah, I thought I was gonna see a lot more bikers, but I haven't seen any. I haven't seen a lot at all. Look at that. This little pond. Look how beautiful that house is. These people have amazing yards. Look at that. That's nice. Like a little swamp pond. That's pretty, oh. God damn. Well guys, I don't know how this is gonna be. Basically on Facebook there's a group called, I'm sure a lot of you know about it, Bunk a Biker, so that's what I'm doing. I'm using that. I got my man Chuck. Seems pretty nice. Seems like a good guy. I shouldn't have any problems. Let me tell you, he lives out in the fucking nowhere, bro. Alrighty, we made it. Got the tent set up. Beautiful pond. Beautiful sunset. Ready for tomorrow's adventure. To South Carolina. And we're at the bottom of South Carolina, so we went about like this. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see this. It kind of looks weird. Went about to here, and then we went in between Fayetteville, and then over on the left side of Columbia, and right around here today. I met a fantastic guy named Chuck. He's a great guy. If you ever traveling, Bunk a Biker, super sick. He was able to hook me up with a place. Went to a bar, got a couple drinks, super sick. So yeah. Courtesy of Chuck. Good morning, guys. We're back on the road. Got no GPS right now because my boy Chuck, who I stayed with last night, amazing guy. He's taking me to the nearest gas station to fill up my tank. It's like a freshwater spring. But supposed to have like a really cool story behind it. It's supposed to have like healing powers. Basically, back in the day, Cherokee Indians had access to this spring, and during the Civil War or something, there was like a fight there, and there was some wounded soldiers, and they ended up getting helped out by the Cherokees, and they gave them this water, and they all like healed and got back in the active duty. Like they like went back and continued serving to the military and stuff. I don't know, it's supposed to be something like that. He was telling me about it last night. But yeah, we're gonna go check that out.
Snakes out here ain't real big deal. They'll be waiting till winter time.
Alright guys, here we go. Bye Pep, I'll see you buddy. My man Chuck, he's headed out. Well, it's raining. Alrighty, and after 2 hours straight on the 95 highway, pushing about like 85, 95 miles an hour the whole way, I made it to Florida. I'm just taking a breather. The bike is pushing through it, man, pushing through it. 27 minutes away from Jacksonville. We fucking made it, bro. Fucking Florida, baby. Fucking Florida. Look at that shit. Ah! We're fucking there! Woo! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right now I'm going to a campsite. Bro, I wish my boy Chris could see this shit. Oh my god, bro. Look at that fucking house. Oh, those houses are spectacular. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Be the third rate. It says I need to go there, but I know that's not the place I need to go. Okay, so good and bad news. The good news is I was going in the right direction. The bad news is I'm not there yet. 7 minutes, I think. Check this place out. U-turn. What? What's going on? I got a campsite.
Do you have a reservation?
Yeah. No, I got a reservation.
Yeah.
Well, it's about a mile down the road. You're gonna follow this main road as it naturally bends to the right.
Okay.
When you hit a 4-way stop sign, you're gonna go straight through it. The next and only right after the stop sign is into the campground. So when you don't turn off this main road until you see a sign on the right that says campground to the right.
Okay, so just keep going straight.
Yep.
Thank you so much.
Have a good night.
Yep. Alrighty, guys. We're here in the palm tree forest, man. So this is like a national park. This is like a national park. It's called something Hannah Park. So I think the beach is right over there, which is super sick. Beach access. Ooh, campgrounds are right on right. Okay. Oh man, check this out. We made it. Let's go walk down there.
Taking the helmet off in probably like 6 hours.
'77. This is me. I found this phone case literally on the ride. Let's see if my phone fits in it. I think it does. Oh, it doesn't. It's called a kickstand case. Perfect.
So basically, I took a back road until I got to a town called Lindell, I think it was, and then I got onto 95, and I took 95 all the way down to Jacksonville, and then now I am right here on the beach. So let me explain what's going on. I'm about to pack up my shit and take it to a different campsite because I'm staying 2 nights now. This is a 1-night stay spot, so I'm gonna go pack up my stuff, take it down the way over there, and yeah, so let's get to packing, I guess. Alright guys, I don't know if you guys can see me, but it's getting pretty dark, and I just got to the new site, so I'm gonna set up. I think this is where I'm gonna close out of this this vlog though. So thank you for watching. It was quite something for sure. It was something I've never done before. So thank you guys, and yeah, give me a like, a comment if you can, and subscribe if you like this shit. Thanks guys.